Vbrick integrated with ServiceNow unlocks the value of video for your organization. This is a game changer, especially for IT service management or any other knowledge-intensive process. Here's what I mean. The use of video, including professionally crafted videos, employee-created content, and recorded live events or meetings, continues to explode within the enterprise. This massive amount of video is a goldmine for ITSM because it can help significantly speed time to resolution. Vbrick's enterprise video platform is a centralized place to store, manage, and distribute all this content securely throughout the enterprise. And here's where the magic happens. When integrated with ServiceNow, Vbrick's AI automates the delivery of video. It automatically sifts through expansive libraries to discover the most relevant content, then brings those videos directly to the right person at the right time, right inside the user's business process in ServiceNow. Let's see how it works. As an ITSM agent assigned to desktop support, my first case of the day is for an end user who's having problems with their VPN. As with any ServiceNow ITSM ticket, I see the details of the issue along with related articles that may help resolve it. But now with the Vbrick integration, I'm automatically served up an AI curated list of videos based on the ticket description. These are videos made by my coworkers that are stored in Vbrick. I've already authenticated into ServiceNow, and my user information was passed to Vbrick seamlessly behind the scenes to set the correct permissions, ensuring content security. This list only includes the videos in the library I have permission to view. For each video, I can read the description for a quick summary of the content and view the transcript with timestamps indicating the most relevant moments. It looks like the first video in the list may be exactly what I'm looking for. It's a how-to video that should help me configure the end user's system to get her VPN up and running again. The transcript here looks like a good starting point. I'll click on that timestamp to play the video from that moment, right here without leaving ServiceNow.
It's most likely fixed by changing the user's firewalls.
Now I go to the transcript tab. Here I can search by keyword. I'll type in VPN to see all the places it's mentioned. Clicking on the metadata tab, I see some more useful information. It shows this video was uploaded by Pedro Ramos. He's an expert on this subject. I also see it was uploaded recently, and it's been given only positive ratings by other agents. After watching some sections of the video, I now have the information I need to get the VPN access back up and running, but I'm not sure why the issue happened, or if it will come up again. Let's go back to the AI curated list to see if we can take this another step further. Reading through the descriptions, I locate a recently recorded meeting with a team of network engineers who mentioned the source of the issue and prevention steps. Clicking on the Video Assistant tab, I can ask what changes I need to make to the end user's profile to prevent future VPN issues. Using the transcript created from the video, the assistant summarizes the prevention steps and quickly replies. I'll copy this response to include in the ticket resolution information. Now I have everything I need to go back to the end user with a complete solution to her issue, and with exceptional speed, security, and end user satisfaction, all thanks to Vbrick and ServiceNow. With intelligently curated video at ITSM agents' fingertips, process efficiency, knowledge sharing, employee experience, time to resolution, and productivity all skyrocket. By combining two leading enterprise platforms, Vbrick and ServiceNow, you can truly unlock the value of video. It gives you the power to maximize technology and talent, transforming your enterprise.